This is also basically one of the another part of the book basically. So this book basically contains lots of interesting facts basically about the software industry and how software industry basically played with Sunil R. Nair basically. That also because somebody basically tracked that basically Sunil R. Nair know lots of things basically of the software industry basically. So he basically tracked Sunil R. Nair because he has done mistake that basically he know. That's why basically see basically how dangerous book is basically. One of the person told that if this book basically will get to the wrong hand basically, then I am 100% sure basically he will rule the world basically. He will be the king of the world basically, not of the any of the country basically. He will rule the world basically because this book required lots of money basically. This book basically required lots of money to do the R&D, do the process, do the things basically. Because textbox equal to thousand cities. Who knows basically in software industry basically in India basically not a single person basically know this. I am 100% sure. If you ask the question to the Infosys, if you ask the question to the IBM, if you ask the question to the TCS, if you ask the question to the Patani, if you ask the question to the BMC software, nobody basically can able to give the answer basically. Here basically technology basically in technology basically I am not so good basically, but this thing also basically matters basically. If you know this all thing basically, then also stuff basically matters basically. So see basically. So see basically. One of the person told what is the age of software energy basically. That means one person basically is having the software energy. So up to what level age basically they can give basically to the Earth planet. So this all basically is given in this book basically because these all are the root basically of the income basically of the software industry basically. If this gets effect basically, then entire software industry basically gets effect. If this gets basically increased, for example, our planet basically software industry basically was able to give 50,000 year age, and they basically told that basically we can give 50,000 50. So 50 age basically got increased, and they basically got the target basically because they achieved the previous target. That's why. So you can just imagine, see the book basically. This Upvas basically is connected with the temples, all god plays basically. That also we can say. So you can see, you can just imagine basically lots of movies are created. Future of Mumbai is what, future of Pune is what, future of Vadodara city is what. This everything basically contains in one book basically. So one person told that what is the future of Pune? What is the future of Mumbai basically? Who are basically staying near the sea water basically. So what is the future basically? So one of the person told that basically in this book basically entire India future is basically designed. How the India basically future is designed. So in next video little bit more part.